Uhura, hail Starfleet.
Mission briefing. Hostile Gorn vessel detected in Sigma Iotia 2 system. Awaiting your orders.
Engage.
Warp drive engaged. Entering Sigma Iotia 2 system. Slowing to impulse power. Sigma Iotia 2 planet in sensor range.
Scan the environment.
Unknown alien ship detected. Sensors indicate Gorn radar configuration.
Scan the Gorn ship.
Scanning Gorn radar. Shields at 80%. Weapons systems online.
Uhura, contact the Gorn ship.
Gorn commander responds. You are trespassing in our territory, Captain. Leave this sector immediately.
We will protect the Federation colonies.
Gorn commander responds. Your people are weak. We will destroy them if they do not leave.
Go to Red Alert.
Red alert. Gorn radar closing in. Shields up.
Target the Gorn ship.
Targeting Gorn radar. Phasers locked and ready.
Fire phasers.
Firing phasers. Gorn radar taking damage.
Fire photon torpedoes.
Launching photon torpedo. Direct hit on Gorn radar. Gorn radar fleeing to planet surface. Sensors indicate crash landing.
Scan the planet. Locate the crash site.
Captain, I have located the crash site. It is approximately 3 kilometers from our current position.
Beam down to this location.
Away team on planet surface. Gorn crash site in sight. Sensors indicate Gorn survivors.
Engage the Gorn.
Away team engaging Gorn in combat. Captain Kirk and Spock are fighting for their lives.
Create a makeshift weapon.
Captain Kirk finds a rock to use as an improvised weapon.
Use rock to attack the Gorn.
Captain Kirk uses the rock to attack the Gorn. Gorn is momentarily stunned.
Beam back to the Enterprise.
Mission complete. Away team has returned to the Enterprise. Sigma Iotia 2 mission successful.